Thanks for looking. Welcome to Hair. I hope everyone doing good. Today I am going to talk about thyroid disease. There are several types of thyroid disease. Today I am going to talk about hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism. Causes: if your body makes too much thyroid hormones, it's called hyperthyroidism. Symptoms of hyperthyroidism are heat, sweating, underweight, heartbeat faster, etc. If your body makes less thyroid hormones, it's called hypothyroidism. Symptoms of hypothyroidism are cold temperature, puts on weight, tired, etc. Stress and wrong feeding habits also other causes. Home remedies: whether hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism or other thyroid disease, should intake fresh fruit juice, fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, grains, milk, etc. Some foods also not good to intake for thyroid disease. These are tea, coffee, white flour products, white sugar, flesh foods, etc. These are not enough for thyroid disease. Need to go to the nearest hospital. Keep social distancing, eat healthy food. Take care, all of you. Thank you.